The bee's knees, unpacking an English gem. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a particularly charming phrase, the bee's knees. Have you ever heard someone say this and wondered what on earth they meant? Well, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery behind this expression and discover why it's considered such a compliment. At its core, the bee's knees is an idiomatic expression used to describe something or someone that is of excellent quality or highly admirable. This phrase is akin to saying someone or something is the best of the best, top-notch, or simply outstanding. But why bee's knees? Do bees even have knees? We'll get to that in a moment, but for now, remember this phrase is all about expressing high praise. The exact origin of the bee's knees is a bit of a mystery, but it's widely believed to have become popular in the 1920s, during an era known for its colorful slang. Some theories suggest it might relate to the tiny particles of pollen bees carry back to their hives on their legs, symbolizing something small but of great value. Others think it's just a whimsical phrase that caught on because of its catchy rhyme. Regardless of its origins, it's a phrase that has stood the test of time. Using the bee's knees in conversation is quite straightforward. It's usually used in informal contexts to express admiration or approval. For example, I just tried the new bakery down the street, and their croissants are the bee's knees. Have you seen Maria's latest painting? It's really the bee's knees. It's a fun and quirky way to give someone or something a thumbs up. And there you have it, folks. The bee's knees is more than just a curious saying. It's a delightful expression that adds a dash of whimsy and a heap of praise to your conversations. We hope this video has been the bee's knees for you and that you're now a little more equipped to sprinkle some vintage charm into your English. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language gems. Until next time, keep buzzing with enthusiasm for learning.